Think about this for a second. You're on the field or in the gym, giving it everything. But you're not alone out there. You've got a personal guide with you, analyzing every move, every breath, and every heartbeat. This guide isn't a person but a powerful AI system, built to help you improve in ways we never thought possible. That's what AIInSports is doing. It's revolutionizing training, game analysis, injury prevention, and even how fans experience the action. Today, we're diving into how AI is transforming sports and why it's so exciting. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe to Kozu Webworks for more awesome updates on AI and technology. Personalized training for peak performance. Let's kick things off with training. Training used to be pretty straightforward, right? You've got drills, exercises, and routines, and everyone on the team pretty much does the same thing. But with AI, that's totally changed. AI systems can track every movement, every heartbeat, and every ounce of energy athletes put into their training. And it uses all that information to create a training program that's perfectly suited for each athlete. So it's no more one-size-fits-all training. Now it's a program designed just for you. Imagine being a basketball player. You're working on your shooting form, and with every shot, an AI system is watching and analyzing. It sees if your elbow's just a bit off or if the ball's spinning the wrong way. Then, it tells you exactly what to fix. And that's not just once or twice. That feedback is there every time you practice. Or say you're a sprinter, and the AI notices that your stride is a bit too long or that you're putting too much pressure on one leg. It can alert you before these small issues become real problems that could lead to injury. AI is also great at keeping athletes from overdoing it. Imagine you've been training hard, and the AI system detects signs of fatigue even before you feel tired. It tells you or your coach to dial it back, preventing burnout or injuries. This personalized approach means athletes can train smarter, stay healthier, and push themselves without going over the limit. It's like having a personal coach that never takes a day off and always has your back. Real-time game analysis now. Let's talk about what happens when it's game time. Coaches have always relied on watching game footage, right? But that takes forever. They'd sit down and analyze every play, trying to figure out what went wrong or what worked well. With AI, that process is lightning fast. AI can go through hours of footage in minutes, breaking down every play, every pass, and every movement. AI can help teams understand their opponents better than ever. Let's say you're preparing for a big soccer match. The AI can analyze the other team's last few games, spotting patterns and predicting what they might try to do. Maybe it notices that a certain player always leaves a gap in the defense, or that they favor one side of the field. With that kind of insight, your team can plan a strategy to exploit those weaknesses. And it's not just about the team. AI can help individual players too. Imagine a baseball player who has a unique batting style. The AI watches their swing in spots, even the smallest issues, maybe a slight ankle change or the timing of the swing. It gives that player the kind of feedback they'd never get from just watching tape or listening to a coach. These small adjustments might seem minor, but in sports, even a tiny improvement can make a huge difference. Injury prevention and faster recovery. Outright injuries. No one wants them, but they're part of sports. However, AI is making a massive difference here, helping to prevent injuries before they happen. How? By constantly monitoring players during training and games. AI can look at things like heart rate, muscle strain, and how players move to spot early signs of stress or fatigue. Picture this. A soccer player is going all out in practice, but the AI notices that their muscle strain is building up to dangerous levels. Before the player even feels the strain, the AI alerts the coach, saying it's time to take a break. That little break could be the difference between a minor issue and a major injury. It's like having a safety net, always looking out for the players. AI also helps players recover faster and smarter. If someone gets hurt, they don't just follow a generic rehab plan. Instead, AI designs a recovery program specifically for them, tracking their progress every day. Let's say a basketball player is coming back from a knee injury. The AI system can track how much weight they're putting on that knee and adjust their exercises based on real-time data. This personalized approach helps athletes recover faster and reduces the chances of them re-injuring themselves, making sports more exciting for fans. AI isn't just changing the game for athletes and coaches, it's also making sports way more exciting for fans. Imagine watching a game and getting live stats and player insights right on your screen. Or, if you're in the stadium, augmented reality (AR) features could show you details about the players and teams as you watch the action. Some stadiums are already experimenting with these kinds of tech, bringing fans closer to the game. And if you're into fantasy sports, AI is here for you too. AI can analyze player stats and help you make better picks for your fantasy team. It's like having a sports analyst on your side, helping you pick the perfect lineup. And it doesn't stop there. AI can create personalized highlight reels based on what you want to see. Imagine being able to watch only the top plays from your favorite player or team, all without having to sit through the entire game. This technology is making sports more accessible and engaging for everyone, from hardcore fans to people just getting into the game. And as AI gets better, these experiences will only get more immersive. Ethical questions and fairness now. While AI is bringing all these amazing changes to sports, it also raises some big questions. For one, there's a risk of relying too much on AI. If coaches and players start following AI suggestions without using their instincts, the game could lose some of that human touch we all love. After all, part of what makes sports so exciting is the unpredictability and the human decisions in the heat of the moment. Then there's the issue of privacy. With all this data being collected, there's a fine line between tracking performance and invading privacy. Athletes might feel like they're always being watched, which can be stressful and might even affect how they play. Plus, this data needs to be kept safe. If sensitive information about a player's health or performance gets leaked, it could have serious consequences. Lastly, let's talk about fairness. Not every team can afford these high-tech AI tools, right? Bigger teams with bigger budgets are going to have the advantage, which could make the gap between the top and bottom teams even wider. Sports are supposed to be fair, and if only certain teams can access AI, it might start to feel a bit unfair. So yes, AI is doing incredible things for sports, but it's essential to think about these ethical concerns as well. It's all about finding the right balance. And there you have it. AI is changing sports in ways we could barely imagine a few years ago. From personalized training and injury prevention to enhancing the fan experience, AI is reshaping the game, making it smarter, faster, and more exciting. This technology is here to stay, and it's only going to get better. If you're as excited about this as we are, don't forget to subscribe to Kozu Webworks. We've got more awesome content on how AI is impacting our lives, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.